Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your identity abroad with Experian step by step clearly. To protect your identity abroad with Experian, start by visiting the Experian website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Enter your personal information, including your name and email address. Set a secure password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Log in to your new account once it's created. Navigate to the Identity Protection Services section. Select the features that suit your travel needs. Consider enrolling in credit monitoring services for real-time alerts. Enable identity theft protection services for added security. Check available options for identity recovery assistance. Provide necessary information about your travel plans, like dates and locations. Download the Experian mobile app for easy access on the go. Activate alerts on your phone to stay updated about your account. Set alerts for any changes to your credit report. Familiarize yourself with the identity theft resources available on the site. Print or save important emergency contacts and steps to take if your identity is compromised. Before traveling, share your limited card information with trusted individuals only. Use secure passwords for all accounts you access while abroad. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks, or use a VPN if necessary. Keep your devices updated with the latest security software. Consider freezing your credit while traveling if you will not need loans or credit. Once you arrive at your destination, regularly monitor your accounts for unusual activity. Stay vigilant and report any suspicious transactions immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.